In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Ryanair. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. On Ryanair, you typically can't directly edit the email address on an existing account in the usual account settings. So the practical workaround is to create or access an account using the new email address instead. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that in a simple and clear way. First, go to the Ryanair website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the official site before entering any account information. This helps keep your details secure and avoids any confusion. Next, look toward the top of the page and click Log In. This will take you to the account access area where you would normally sign in to your Ryanair profile. At this point, because the email address can't be changed directly from the existing account, click Sign Up instead of logging in with the old email. This is the key part of the process. You're essentially setting up access with the email address you want to use going forward. On the sign up screen, choose Continue with Google. This is the option shown in the process here, and it can make things quicker since Ryanair will connect using the Google account you select. If your browser is already signed in to multiple Google accounts, take an extra second here to make sure you choose the correct one. Now, select your new email address from the list of available Google accounts. This is the email you want associated with your Ryanair access going forward, so double check it before continuing. Picking the wrong account here can mean having to backtrack and start again. After that, just follow the on-screen steps. Ryanair and Google may ask you to confirm permissions, verify your selection, or complete a few basic setup prompts. Read each screen carefully and continue through the process until the account setup is complete. If you run into a delay or the page doesn't refresh right away, give it a moment and avoid clicking too many times. It can also help to use a private browser window or sign out of other Google accounts first if the wrong email keeps appearing. Once you've finished the prompts, you should be set up with the new email address through the sign up process. And that's the method to use when you want to change your Ryanair email, since direct editing usually isn't available. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made the process quick and easy to follow.